to remove objects from photos on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove objects from photos on iPhone. So first of all, just simply open your photos in your iPhone, and for example, I want to remove some elements from this photo. So all you have to do is just simply click on the settings from the bottom menu of the screen, and over here you will have the option which it says clean up. Just simply tap on it. Now all you have to do, just simply select the particular element that you want to remove from this particular picture. All you have to do is just simply select the particular element that you would want to remove. You can also zoom the picture in so that you have the better uh, space to clean that particular object. So for example, I want to remove this particular moon from here. Just simply go ahead and place your fingers and just do this. Now, as you can see that the moon has completely gone. And this is basically how you will be able to remove any object from the photo, any kind of photo. I just showed you in this photo as an example. You can do this process and repeat this particular process in any sort of photo that you would want to remove the objects from. So yeah, that's how you'll do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful.